Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about incredible car gadgets and invention you should see. Let's get started. Stagrack. Skis and bicycles. According to the system's designers, everything is under one roof. The special suction cups holds the key. It only takes 2 minutes to install them. And there is no damage to the paintwork. The system is suitable for all vehicles, and there is a universal version as well as a specialized version. For example, only for bicycles. The universal variant is priced at $780. For that price, the device can hold 2 bicycles weighing up to 40 pounds each, 4 snowboards or 4 pairs of skis, and 3 surfboards. The manufacturer offers a firm grip on glass, metal, and fiberglass, both horizontally and vertically. Dyne AUN. Do you own a motorcycle and transport it in the back of your car on occasion? The AUN or Aluminum Universal Loading Ramp range has been designed specifically for you. The manufacturer offers several models that allows you to automatically load your motorcycle, even on vehicles with short bodies. The ramps begin at 83 inches in length and weigh 176 pounds. The basic model will set you back $225. The maximum payload is about 1,230 pounds. The loading height can be raised to a maximum of 60 inches. The boltless mounting system makes installation simple, and a full load control requires only one person. Voltic. When compared to similar products on the market, it is 90 smaller. According to the designers of this car vacuum cleaner, which weighs a little less than a pound, it's small enough to fit in the glove compartment and cup holder, while maintaining the same level of quality as larger models. It easily picks up not only dust and debris, but also leftover food, coins, and small stones. The filter is removable and washable, and numerous interchangeable accessories will come in handy at home. For instance, to clean a keyboard, the 5,000 mAh battery is enough to clean your car interior at least twice, and the USB Type-C connector charges in just 2 hours. Pricing begins at $355 USD. Liddiard wheels. This is neither a special effect nor a clever montage for another racing film. These are omnidirectional wheels, which allow a car to move in any direction. The project was created by Canadian William Liddiard. It is not necessary, in his opinion, to start the car's engine in order to move it. The wheels are propelled by an electric motor that is powered by the car's battery. It can travel up to 1.2 miles per hour on electric power parking, and turning on the fly is easier, and will be an excellent use for forklifts. Furthermore, these wheels can be mounted on trucks. MOGICS CARSULE. How do you convert a regular car into a camping vehicle? You can begin by purchasing this tent. The building will be combined with the car, resulting in a small camping lodge. The tent fits most vehicles, from station wagons to minivans. It measures 34 by 34 by 8 inches when folded and takes about 5 minutes to set up. The tent is 7 feet tall and is made stable by attaching it to the car's tailgate. The item also includes a mosquito net, a carpet, and hooks for hanging lamps and other accessories. Baseus Super Mini Inflator Pump. It's time to consider smaller devices. This compressor weighs more than a pound and easily fits in the glove compartment. Despite its small size, it has a respectable capacity. According to the seller, inflating 4 tires to 35 psi takes about 25 minutes. The compressor is extremely versatile. It can inflate a basketball, a bicycle tire, or a boat using adapters and different modes. The maximum pressure is 150 pounds per square inch. You can also check the LED display for updates. When the desired pressure is reached, the system automatically shuts down. The built-in flashlight is a nice touch. However, it's clear that many buyers would prefer a carrying case. The cost of the little helper is $34. Rover Drive Wing. If you usually have cars racing and drifting under your window, this product is an option for restoring silence. These spikes appears to be made of metal, but they are actually made of flexible polymer. The operating principle is straightforward. Any driver who comes across such a hazard on the road will immediately stop. Instead of a flat tire, they only get a minor jolt, like on a speed bump. There are several versions available. For example, with a height of 5 inches and a width of 47 inches, and a reflective strip for better nighttime visibility. The price range begins at $60. Munchkin Brica. The sun frequently ruins the pleasure of a long journey, while those in the front are usually provided with a sunshade. Those in the back must make do. The safest way to avoid this is to wear these shades, which will make your trip more comfortable while also protecting you from UV radiation. Each blind has 5 magnets and is suitable for windows measuring up to 18 by 27 inches. The magnets are quite strong, and you can even open the window because the blind is wind resistant. It also offers some protection against debris that may enter the vehicle. The special loops and hooks that allows you to gather excess fabric so that the curtain does not hang are a nice touch. The cost is $19. Baseus Car Scratch Repair Polisher. This is a gadget for people who like to keep their cars clean. It's a miniature car polisher. The model is patented and it is as simple to use as possible. Fill the tank, carefully treat the vehicle, wait about 10 minutes, and then remove the excess polish. The liquid supply is accomplished through the use of a large, simple button, and the tank capacity is 4 ounces. Because of its removable design, it can be used for the long-term storage of various polishes. According to the manufacturer, this device can be used not only to beautify the car, but also to remove minor scratches. The kit costs $18 and allows you to begin cleaning right away. It comes with a device, a polishing liquid, and a special towel. Bull Hitch Lift. If you frequently load heavy loads into your trunk and are concerned about back injuries, this lift is ideal for you. It attaches to the hitch and replaces the tailgate, allowing you to quickly and safely lift any load. It has no internal battery and is powered by the car battery, making installation simple even for a single person. The platform can be folded and controlled remotely. It is very simple to load wielded machinery. Because of the ramp, the manufacturer offers several models that can lift up to 700 and 1,500 pounds, respectively. The most powerful version will set you back $2,600. So, which of the inventions and gadgets amazes you the most? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.